मैं आप लोग को पहले ही बोल देती हूँ कि मेरी आवाज़ थोड़ी बैठी हुई है. आई एम अ लिटिल अनवेल, लिटिल अंडर द वेदर. बट होपफुली अभी नवी मुंबई की हवा खा के मैं थोड़ा बेटर हो जाऊंगी. मैं चेन्नई में थी, शूट कर रही थी, और मेरा हमेशा से मानना रहा है कि जब जब मैं अपने घर आ जाती हूँ मैं ठीक हो जाती हूँ. तो आई नो दैट इफ आई एम अनवेल नाउ, अभी अभी आई हैव एंटर्ड मुंबई, आई एम गोइंग टू फील गुड. You know, I really think the initiative that Patesh Bhai and Bhavesh Bhai have taken to make this, and being just builders by themselves, having an expo this big is really like it's a one of a kind occasion. And the initiative that they are making is to actually make sure that people who have homes in, who want to have homes in Mumbai, um, choose that part of Mumbai which is actually growing, is very well planned, has great air, just better infrastructure, and they're making that accessible through their expo. I think that's a very very cool.
Message would you like to share with everyone visiting Navi Mumbai? Biggest home expo when they are launching 12 projects at one time.
I think it will really give everyone the opportunity to choose what they are really looking for. While they have 12 projects going on, I'm sure there will be projects that fit everyone's budgets, fit everyone's vision for their perfect home, because everybody has a different idea of what their perfect home should be. So I really feel like this initiative is going to help and guide a lot of people who actually have been trying to buy homes in Mumbai. I'm so sorry, I can't hear you because there's music.
What did you love about the scale and energy of today Home Expo?
I love how they are actually making sure they're personalizing it for people, and the experience is becoming personalized for people. I feel like that is a really interesting thing that they're doing.
And in future, would you like to shift to Navi Mumbai?
मैं मुंबई में जहाँ पर भी रहूँगी ना, मैं मुंबई में रहूँगी, ये कंफर्म है. Because in fact I was sharing with Bhadresh Bhai and Bhavesh Bhai that I have been working in so many different cities my entire life, but मेरा घर हमेशा मुंबई रहा है, because मुझे यहाँ पर मतलब मैं पली बड़ी हूँ, मैं स्कूल यहाँ पे गई हूँ. So I just love the city, I love the energy, I love the pace, I love the madness and the chaos. It's like हमारा एक टाइप का एनर्जी है जो मुंबई जिसमें चलता है. तो I feel like it's something that's always been very close to my heart.